The Ford Falcon XR of 1966 is one of those rare machines that perfectly blends American muscle spirit with Australian motoring heritage, and today we're diving deep into its legacy, performance, styling, and why even in 2026 this silver gray classic is more than just a car, it's a symbol of raw authenticity and automotive freedom. The XR Falcon marked a huge turning point for Ford in Australia, and while the original launch was back in September 1966, it represented a bold leap in design, engineering, and attitude. With its long hood, sleek roofline, and wide stance, the Falcon XR was heavily inspired by the American Ford Falcon and Mustang, yet it carried a distinct Australian DNA, built tough to handle the rugged conditions of Aussie roads. In silver gray, the XR Falcon takes on an entirely different personality. The color highlights the strong body lines, the sharp-edged fenders, and that confident front grille with twin headlights that immediately told people this wasn't just a family sedan, this was a machine capable of power and presence. The XR was also the very first Falcon to introduce the legendary V8 option in Australia. This move transformed Ford's image overnight, offering the now famous 289 cubic inch Windsor V8, which was the same engine that powered early Mustangs. That meant the XR wasn't just about style, it was about serious performance, and it quickly found its way into the hands of enthusiasts who wanted a car that could cruise on the highway yet roar on demand. Inside, the XR Falcon offered a much more modern driving experience for the time. The dash layout was clean and functional, featuring clear instrumentation, padded surfaces for safety, and a wider interior space that made it a comfortable family car as well as a performance machine. The seating was supportive yet plush, and the chrome trim pieces gave it that 60s elegance that collectors today still cherish. In silver gray, especially with a restored interior in black or red, the contrast is stunning and timeless. What really makes the 1966 Falcon XR important is how it laid the foundation for the Ford performance culture in Australia. This car directly paved the way for the Falcon GT, which later became the stuff of Bathurst racing legend. The XR GT, launched in 1967, was Australia's first true muscle car, and it all started with this generation. The XR's balance of strength, durability, and performance-focused engineering showed Ford was ready to take on Holden and Chrysler in the performance wars. Driving the XR today feels like stepping into a time machine but with all the soul intact. The steering is heavier compared to modern cars, the suspension has that old-school feel where you can really sense the road, and the exhaust note from a well-tuned V8 is nothing short of addictive. That raw connection is what makes classics like this so desirable even in 2026. The XR Falcon isn't just a car you look at, it's a car you feel, hear, and experience in a way that no modern SUV or electric commuter can replicate. Collectors love the XR Falcon for its heritage value, its design, and its scarcity. Finding one in silver gray, restored with authentic details, is like striking gold in the classic car scene. Values have continued to climb, and the XR is now considered a cornerstone of Australian motoring history. Car shows, classic meets, and retro cruises across the globe often feature enthusiasts showing off their restored Falcons, each one a reminder of a time when cars had personality, uniqueness, and a mechanical heartbeat that made driving fun. The aftermarket support for the XR is strong, too. Many owners upgrade suspension setups, disc brakes, and modern electronics while keeping the vintage exterior intact. Others go full resto mod style, dropping in a modern Coyote V8, custom wheels, and air suspension. Whether you love it factory spec or modified, the XR Falcon can wear both suits perfectly. In silver gray, with chrome bumpers shining under the lights, it's one of the most photogenic classics out there. The story of the Falcon XR isn't just about cars, it's about culture. In 1966, Ford gave people a car that could be everything to everyone: a daily driver, a race car, a cruiser, a family wagon, or a stylish sedan. That versatility, combined with bold design, ensured its place in history. In 2026, the XR Falcon stands as a reminder of where performance motoring began for Ford in Australia, and why car culture thrives on passion, heritage, and the machines that connect generations. For anyone watching this, whether you grew up with an XR in your family, dreamed about owning one, or you're just discovering this classic for the first time, the silver gray 1966 Ford Falcon XR will always hold a special place in the automotive world. It's more than sheet metal, paint, and horsepower, it's a rolling piece of history that continues to inspire car enthusiasts worldwide. And that's the beauty of the XR. Even in today's high-tech world of autonomous cars and electrification, classics like the Falcon XR remain irreplaceable. They remind us that cars are not just transportation, they are experiences, they are stories, they are memories locked in steel and chrome. The 1966 Ford Falcon XR in silver gray proves that some legends never fade, they only get stronger with time.